how to add subtitle on DaVinci Resolve. So first thing we need to go here and we choose add subtitle track. After that, we click on the subtitle track and we go here and we choose create caption, and I will type, or we need to type what we want to type. Okay, for example, I will put how to add subtitle tag blah blah blah. Okay, so after that we go here track and we can change the size or the font of the subtitle. Also we can change the color, any color you want. Also we can change the line, as you can see here. Also we can change the font case, all capital or small, etc. For me, I will put all. And after we finish, we go here and we edit it. After we finish, and if we want to another one, we click here, add subtitle, and the same thing. We type what we want, track, change the font, change the color, and the other things. So this is how to add subtitle track on DaVinci Resolve. Subscribe my channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.